Because right now you're being detained.
Wait, what?
Here are 2 times when corrupt cops realize they've been caught.
I'm not turning my camera off.
Okay.
Now meet Captain James French, a veteran of 32 years in the department. Cops pulled him over for swerving and failing to use turn signals.
Drunk?
No, the captain.
Huh? A what?
Captain.
Of what? The big. Don't reach in your pocket. Get back in your car. Have a seat.
I will. I'm not.
You've been drinking tonight.
I just got a ride.
You've been drinking tonight, sir.
I'm a captain on the police department.
What police department?
Oklahoma City.
From the very beginning, James is giving very obvious signs of being drunk, actively avoiding the officer's questions, and even trying to get the officer to turn off his body cam.
What division?
Investigations.
What are you doing pulling in here?
My mom and I stay here.
You been drinking?
Please.
Huh? I'm not turning my camera off.
Okay.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
After the officer declines James' request to turn off his body camera, James agrees to take a field sobriety test, even though he initially didn't want to.
Keep
Sir,
going.
can you turn that off?
I cannot, sir.
Please.
I know you're aware of our body cam policy, and you know I cannot turn off this body
I
camera.
do, but I'd like to talk to you.
I can't do that, sir.
Please. 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, go ahead and turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back.
Are you gonna arrest me, sir?
Yes, I am.
Can I talk to you?
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back, sir.
Can we keep the camera off now?
Yeah, we'll turn the camera off now.
Thank you.
James was taken into custody and formally charged with driving under the influence of alcohol, as well as failing to signal while driving. The Oklahoma City Police Department has confirmed that French is currently on administrative leave, pending the results of the ongoing investigation. On January 1st, 2021 in Gainesville, Florida, Corporal Scott Burtsick was driving home when he reached for his lighter and crashed into a vehicle. Officer Brooke Shutterly arrived at the scene immediately. However, Officer Shutterly soon noticed something unusual about her own supervisor.
Yeah, reached out for my lighter, slammed into his ass.
Cool.
No, not really.
Not really.
No.
You didn't want to do an information
So he
exchange?
does. No, now I found it.
Okay. Well. Okay.
It's information exchange. Now I found it.
Alright. Are you okay?
Oh yeah, no, I'm good.
Your airbag went off. Your car's f***ed up.
No, absolutely. Which I just
That sucks. Police Neil's off. You can come give you a ride. Do you want me to let him know you found the insurance? And well, maybe you should not do that then. So, you want me to let him know you found your insurance, see if he wants to do an information exchange?
Officer Brooke identifies her supervisor, who is clearly intoxicated and can't help but laugh at the absurdity of the situation. As the officer approaches the victim, we can see their car, and it's evident that the damage is far from minor.
So, he mentioned you guys had talked about exchanging information, but he hadn't had his insurance pulled up.
Yeah.
We have a couple options with this. It's really cut and dry, so if you want to just go through insurance, you can. If you want a full-fledged report, we can do that. However you want to go about it.
After Officer Shutterly clarifies certain insurance details with the victim, we begin to notice some concerning aspects in the way she is interacting with the victim. Her behavior suggests she may be favoring her supervisor's side rather than being neutral, as it should be.
So a couple things. One, do you mind giving me like a couple feet? One, because I like personal space, and two, because cigarette smoke really, it tears me up a little bit. Give me just, like I said, it'll probably take me about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll get that done for you, okay? No, we don't take pictures of it because crashes are civil. Yeah, whenever we do any kind of crash reports or anything, unless there's a DUI involved or, you know, like a hit and run or something, a criminal aspect, we don't usually take photos. Thank you. You know I don't need that. Should hypothetically auto-populate. Give me a second because I'm going to call Priester and see if he needs me to do anything special since it's one of us.
Yep.
So, give me that. Sorry, Birdie.
Calling her supervisor by his nickname, Birdie, and expressing an intention to help him out of the situation is only making it worse. Furthermore, she doesn't inform the victim that he was involved in a DUI accident, treating him differently than her supervisor. However, the situation takes a dramatic turn as she informs Bertzik that he is going to be placed under arrest.
So, Birdie, you giving me some indicators?
Oh,
Listen.
woman.
Listen. Valdez is coming out just to... I'm not going to lie to you about it.
She's on her way?
Yeah, she's on her way. Because I'm not really comfortable with this whole thing at all, but I'm not going to lie to you about it.
Oh, no. I don't mean to put you in that Yep.
Yeah. So, from now on, you know how it goes. You can't consume anything, okay? Because right now, you're being detained.
Wait, what?
This is the moment when Birdie realizes he's not getting away as easily as he thought.
I'm holding on to you because I have a supervisor coming to see if I need to do a full-fledged DUI investigation or not. So please don't make my life difficult.
I would never do that to you.
Okay. I'm very uncomfortable right now.
And I apologize for putting you in that position.
Okay.
Bertzik has now made a shift in his game plan. He tries to apologize, thinking he can get away until he realizes that everything is being recorded.
Are you on?
Yes. Yes, I am. And I'm going to remain on
Fair enough.
because integrity.
At this point, Bertzik starts going through a period of realizations as he acknowledges he's in big trouble.
That's not life game out there.
I'm not going to say anything.
It's out there. I don't care.
I mean about this.
I'm not drunk. I'm pissed and I'm tired. Look at me. If she did it, I'll go.
When a supervising officer arrives at the scene, Bertzik is asked to undergo a series of sobriety tests, and the results speak for themselves.
You may begin the test.
One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 13, 14.
You can stop.
Perfect.
After failing the sobriety test, Bertzik is informed that he will be placed under arrest. Officer Shardley says she wouldn't cuff him, but he insists on being cuffed as he's aware of the victims watching the situation.
Around to your driver's side.
Yeah.
There you go.
Listen to me.
Put them on.
I'm not gonna cuff you.
Oh, yes, you are, because they're watching.
No.
Yes, you are. They're watching.
Okay. We'll cuff you over by my car.
Yes, you will.
Yes.
They're watching.
Yes.
Supervisor Bertzik faced his sentence, including 50 hours of community service, fines amounting to $974, a DUI, various substance abuse, a 6 months driver's license suspension.